right back, fixing my camera, and I'm going to show you how I do my shepherd pie. It's really easy and it is budget friendly. Okay, I've got my potatoes over here boiling up. Now, I probably did maybe 5 pounds, but what I don't use for the pies, I'm going to freeze for other meals. And it works out good that way. So let's see here. I got to fix that. Okay. So I've got 2 pounds, well, close to it, 2 pounds of ground sirloin. And this stuff is very, very, very lean, so I had to add a little bit of oil to my fry pan, my skillet. So I'm going to cut these tops off. I'm going to get this put in here. This is the ground sirloin I got on sale on my last haul for $2.99 a pound. Absolutely fantastic. I'm using 2 pounds. Normally, if I was just going to make one for a quick meal, I would use just 1 pound. But I want to put one in the freezer, too. So, if you're going to cook, you might as well cook big and freeze it. And then into that, I'm going to put my onions, too. But not too many, because you can put as many onions as you want. I just can't put a lot, because they don't agree with my husband. So, and he loves them, of course. You just can't have too many of them. So, we'll get this frying. Potatoes are going. There's still a piece in here that's a little froze because I pulled it out of the freezer, but that's all right. It'll thaw out. That up. All right. We're just gonna let that go, and we're gonna let that cook and brown. And when I get this all browned up, I'll be back and I'll show you how I put all this together. So just keep stirring it until it's nice and brown, and you'll be good. I'll be back. I got it all broke up and it's starting to brown up, so I'm going to add some of my garlic powder. You can put regular garlic in here if you want. This is my own, this is from my dehydrated garlic. So we'll put some of that in there. I'm going to put some salt in here because it is going to need that. And I'm going to put some pepper in here. And watch this. Watch this. Perfect. And then I'm going to put, probably a couple tablespoons of steak sauce in here. Or you can use Worcestershire sauce. Steak sauce is a good substitute if you don't have Worcestershire sauce. Either one. So, it's good flavor. Very good flavor. I might wind up putting a little bit more in there. And you also can do this a real easy way and just add some cream soup to it. Now I've got, if you look over here, I've got my homemade cream soup mix right in there. And I got like equivalent to a can, so because I like this to have just a light gravy in here. So I'll let it finish getting browned up, and then I'm gonna show you what I do. But oh, that smells wonderful. This is the nicest thing to make for the freezer. And then all you gotta do is take it out of the freezer, pop it in the oven, about 40 minutes, 45 minutes, and you got a fantastic little dinner. So, let me get this finished up and I'll be back. I got this pretty much done. all fried up nicely. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to give this a good mix. Okay. Pour that in there. Okay. See how that does? That's wonderful. Okay, so now I added a little bit of Worcestershire sauce to that too. Now I'm going to make just a little cornstarch slurry just to thicken it up a little. Probably with a couple tablespoons of cornstarch. I'm making a mess. Okay. Yep, that's it. That's all I'm going to need. Just a little bit. Turn that down. That smells wonderful. Okay, I'm going to turn that way down on low. I'm going to put my frozen veggies. These are frozen. I'm going to put them in there. I might wind up putting some more in. I'm not sure. And I think I'm going to. Not that many, but there we go. I like about as many vegetables as I've got burger in it. It's just so good that way. Okay, so I turned this down on low, and I'm just going to leave this set so it warms all the way through. I may add just a little more. I may very well add some more, and I think I'm going to. I'll show you how I do it. I'm going to add more of my soup mix in here. It's very, very easy to do. I'm going to get 1 cup of water. And then I'm going to do about 1/3 cup of my soup mix. Pour that in there. Put my camera up a little bit so you can see. Get that mixed up in there. Mix it real good. And I'm just going to pour that right in there. It'll give it some more, and it'll thicken up because of the cornstarch already in it. So it'll give it a little more gravy consistency, because that's what's good. Alright, that's how easy that is to do. I do have a video for my nice big bottle, or nice big half-gallon jug of cream of soup mix. If you're all interested in making that, look at how that thickens, just wonderful. All right, now we're going to set this aside because this is beautiful. After it heats back up, and that soup, cream of soup mix is seasoned really nicely too. So we're going to leave this setting aside until our potatoes are done and we're ready to put it together. So I'll be back when the potatoes are done. Hey friends, I am back and I've got 2 of these nice little containers. This is perfect for 2 or 3 or even 4 people, but I've got it for the 2 of us, and we can always have leftovers. But I'm just going to put my couple nice big scoops of this in the bottom of my pans. Maybe a little more. Okay. Beautiful. Trade spots. That gravy in there, it turned out gorgeous. Actually, I've got enough to make the 2 I was wondering. I might have enough for a couple more. Anyway, so with that, I've got those in there. Now I'm just going to put my potatoes on here. I don't want to smash them down, but I do want them spread around. So I'm going to put a little extra on there. Okay, let's see. I'll need this one. And I'm just going to push them around, just so that I can put the little lid on. Okay, same with this one. Just get it pushed around. There. Okay, now these are going to be wonderful. See these 2? I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit of parsley over them. And a little bit of paprika. Just over the tops. And they'll be pretty. And that's it, friends. Then I got these nice little tops that I put on them. And they say shepherd's pie, January 19, bake at 350 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes. You can take these right out of the freezer, pop them right in a hot oven, and you are good. They will be wonderful. So, I just put that on there like so. Fits nice. Taste that little piece, but there you have it. That's how nice that is. Shepherd's pie. And see how pretty it turns out? So, there you have it. It's that easy. It's that easy, friends. It's very inexpensive to make, and it makes a wonderful meal. Perfect freezer meal. So there you have it, friends. Thanks so much for watching.